Have you ever wondered why a cinema ticket costs more for adults than it does for a child or a senior citizen? Or why airlines charge different fares depending on the time of the booking? These are examples of what economists call third-degree price discrimination. So, what exactly is third-degree price discrimination? At its core, third-degree price discrimination occurs when a company charges different prices to different customer groups. These groups are separated based on their demand elasticity. In simple terms, how much their quantity demanded changes based on price. Imagine a company that sells concert tickets. They realize that their customers can be divided into two groups: hardcore fans who will pay almost any price, and casual listeners who only buy if the price is right. The company might decide to charge a higher price to the hardcore fans and a lower price to the casual listeners. This is third-degree price discrimination in action. To successfully implement third-degree price discrimination, a firm needs a few things. First, they need to have some degree of market power. In other words, they need to be able to influence the price of their product or service. Second, they need to be able to segment their market. This means they need to identify different groups of customers who have different demand elasticities. Third, they need to prevent resale. If the casual listeners could buy tickets at a low price and sell them to the hardcore fans at a higher price, the price discrimination would fail. Now let's delve into the economic implications of third-degree price discrimination. In terms of consumer surplus, it usually decreases. This is because some consumers are paying more than they would under a single price. For producer surplus, it generally increases. The firm is able to capture more of the market's willingness to pay, and hence makes more profit. As for total welfare, the impact is ambiguous. It can increase if the price discrimination allows more transactions to occur. For example, if the lower price for casual listeners results in more tickets sold, total welfare could increase. In conclusion, third-degree price discrimination is a complex but fascinating economic concept. It's a strategy used by firms to maximize their profits by charging different prices to different customer groups. It requires market power, the ability to segment markets, and the prevention of resale. Its impact on consumer surplus, producer surplus, and total welfare varies. Remember, the next time you see different prices for the same product, you might just be experiencing third-degree price discrimination. It's not just a clever business strategy, but a key concept in the field of economics.